So this is USDCAD analysis for Monday, the 21st of May. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 27.56, previously identified level of support, of support from which we've had price come to this, move to the upside, formed a bit of a flag, break out to the upside, tested 28.39 with a confidence of 400 period average. Another brief pullback, came down to where our previous flag formed in around that 128, from which we had strong bullish buy side momentum taking us up towards that 129, and previously very strong area where previously saw the sell side momentum come into the market at that 129, retested 129, had a brief pullback, so we've got into a bit of a consolidation here beneath the 129. So if we do go for a retest of 129, we do fail, we're looking for possibly for price head down towards that 128.39. Or if we do break down from where we are at present, we're looking for a move down towards a 128.39 with that confluence of the 400 period moving average. Thus increased likelihood in a bullish bounce towards that 129. If we do fail at 128.39, we're looking for a move down towards that 128. And if we do see a failure to hold 128, 127.78 may come into focus. I wouldn't anticipate price breaking down towards that 127.56. But if we did see very strong momentum here to the downside, 127.56 could come into focus. If we do break above the 129, however, if we do break and hold above the 129, levels that we are looking at here to the upside are moves up to the 129.44. And if we aren't able to find resistance at the 129.44, we'll be looking for a move up towards that 130 level. What I'll do now is have a brief look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So first we'll head over to the monthly chart, and over here on the monthly chart we can see here that there remains to be a degree of indecision in the market. Got into a bit of a trading range here, upper end of trading range being around at 131, lower end being into those mid 20s here on the USDCAD. And again, we've encountered resistance in around that 130 level, 129 level, sorry. But if we look at the trend more recently, we've had a strong bullish move, pullback, posted a higher low, and so far we've posted another higher low this month. So if we can have a bullish close to this month, there is a possibility of seeing higher prices going forward. So we do have our lows, potentially a higher low, potentially a higher low after that, and seeing prices really go on to test those 130 and 131 levels, potentially seeing a further move here to the upside on the US dollar against the CAD. And let's just have a look here at the weekly chart. And over on the weekly chart, we can see here, we've got our lows, we've got higher lows still. Bit of a pullback off this pin bar, posted a strong week last week, closing near its highs, and there remains a possibility of seeing that momentum follow through here going forward this week. So remains a possibility of seeing that bullish buy side momentum carry itself into this week and see a continued move to the upside here on the US dollar against the CAD. What we'll do now is have a look at the daily time frame before wrapping up. So have a look at the daily time frame. And over on the daily time frame, we can see here we've got our lows, got into this bit of a consolidative range on the US dollar against the CAD. We've got our highs, lower highs, got into this consolidation. So if we can break above our previous highs, we'll be looking for prices to go on to challenge this 131 level here on the US dollar against the CAD. That's particularly if we can hold this range. We can break above the 129 and go on to challenge our previous highs around 130. And if we can break and hold, again, we're looking for that 131. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.